Okay. So view employee we added previous class. Now we are going to add update employee functionality. Update employee functionality. Okay. So in add employee, in a employee TSX or employee component, previously we added submission form and all, right? So the same form we are going to use edit employee also. So this page rate will dynamically change based on the ID. If ID is there, it will be edit employee. If ID is not there, it will be add employee. Okay. If ID is there, the values will be here. Okay, we can update and save. That's all. For that, we are going to use effect. Okay, use effect and call get API. You can see here. Adding dynamic page title, add or update employee. Okay. Use params from React router DOM to get the employee ID. Same. Whenever you are updating, right? Obviously, you will get the ID. So obviously, you will have here cancel here, and you will have ID, right? So whenever you are clicking, the ID will be sent to the respective page. Okay. Now use the use effect to get API calls for employee details. Of course, whenever you're using use effect, inside that we are calling a get employee call here, right? Get employee call. Okay, get employee call. Fine. Get employee REST client code in employee service. So it is already written. And test the above changes. Coming to here. Okay, coming to here. Go to the employee list first. Go to the employee list first. Here, update employee. We added the employee ID here. And this is the update employee. Coming to here. Update employee, we are using the backtick quotations here, quotes, to pass the value dynamically here, edit employee. So while edit employee, it is navigate to edit employee. Okay, where routes, you need to check the app.tsx. So if it is an edit employee, where we are going employee component. Employee component is nothing but add or update. So open the employee component here. Here it is coming. Here it is coming. Okay. Now you can use the use params here. You can use the use params here. You can use the use params here. Okay. Use params here to get the ID. Okay. To get the ID here. Constant ID equals to use params. Use params. Fine. So ID, we are having that ID. Okay. Give the gap here. Okay. Fine. So we are already having the navigator here. Navigate here. Okay. Now you need to use the use effect here. Use effect first. First of all, populate the pages. Okay. Use effect. Use effect of inside arrow function. Arrow function, you need to call the get employee. Get employee from services component. Okay. Fine. So inside that, I think we need to, before that, you need to condition if ID present, then only we can do, otherwise it will give the errors. Okay. Okay. Get employee ID. Okay. Then response of response and the response here. So here you can set first name, set first name here, response dot data dot first name, response dot set first name, set last name, response dot data dot last name. Okay. The same way, set email, response dot data dot response dot data dot email. email. Okay, the same way skills here, response dot. So what are the response we are getting? Whatever the response we are getting from the REST API clause. Okay, data dot skills. Okay, so we are setting all the values. Okay, we are setting all the initially we have this one, right? Set this one here, set email. Okay, for the same hooks we are using use state. Okay, fine. Now it is coming. Now we can write one more function, page title. Function page title. Page title, come here. Come here. So you're having page title here, right? Copy this. Copy this. If sorry, if ID present, use effect, right? Here we need to write the catch errors also. The error console.log error. Console.error of error. You can add error also. You can add. That's fine. And here you can add the ID also. Otherwise, how can it will come? How can it will go? Okay, you're adding ID also here. Comma ID. Okay, here if ID okay, if ID present, you can copy here. If ID present, return this one. ID present, view employee, else return add employee. So you can use the page title directly here. Remove this one. Sorry, remove this one. Add the JavaScript code here. You can have the page title here. We're adding. We will see. So I'm going just view employee as it is working existing. Okay, update. So this is update, right? Not view. Come here. Update employee. Update employee. So see, the values also here coming. I'm updating 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, here I am updating Prasad. Agatmudi. Here Prasad. Java microservice submitting. So here is adding. Okay, why it is adding extra? Okay, we need to check. Okay, we are not having previously two, right? Let me update one more time. Prasad 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is adding duplicate record, but it should not right? So we will check here. We will check. So okay, Abdu, we did not return for the update employee. So that is the reason. It is simply we are populating the data using use effect, right? But saving again, it is coming here only. So we need to check the update employee also. Save or update, we need to write the function here. We need to write the function here. In the next class, we will change the save and update for the here. And if we will write the inside the save employee. Inside the save employee, if the ID is present, we can go for the update employee XJS call. If it is not, we can go for the create employee, right? So that is the reason here it is adding duplicate one. So we will fix the issue in the next class as part of update employee. From this class, just we are getting the data, and we written the page title here. Change the page title here. You can go here, add employee, right? If it is update, it is an update employee. If it is an add employee, it is an add employee. Page title we changed, and also we populated the data here. We populated the data here for the update employee. Now the next class, update employee functionality, we are going to write for the saving of or updating of these details. Okay.